Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Maha Math Springs.
Hello friends, today I would like to explain about arithmetic progression. You can share in a shortcut AP. Before going to do some questions, we should know about what is the basic concept of arithmetic progression. Well, because of all the TNPSC exams are having 3 to 4 questions using the basic concept they are asking. So if you thorough with the basic concept, you can be able to do the answer for those questions. So let us see what is the definition of arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression can be defined as a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by writing out the fixed number to preceding term except the first term. So like a natural number is the arithmetic progression of whole numbers. In our daily life we can see lot of example. If you take one set of students, we can compare the height of the students. Temperature of each state. So like that we can say lot of examples. Now I am going to take 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. This is going up to we don't know. So it is infinite arithmetic progression, infinite series or infinite sequence. So now here whether it is arithmetic progression or not. So each term of difference between each should be constant. So 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 5, 2. So the difference between consecutive term is constant. That is called the arithmetic progression. So now this is the first term, second term, this one is third term and this one is fourth term. So the number of terms I am going to denote as small n. The number of terms I am going to denote as small n. Now, what is the first term is 1. So the first term I am going to denote as small a equals to 1. And the difference I am going to denote as small d. So first second term minus first term. So t2 minus t1 equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. I am going to denote it as small d. The common difference I am going to denote as small d. Next third term minus second term. T3 minus T2 equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2 equal to d. So all consecutive term, difference between the consecutive term is constant. So we can use one formula using this. T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equal to and so on. Tn minus 1 equal to T1. This is also sometimes we can use the formula where we will apply. I will tell based on the questions. So now the general form of an arithmetic progression. So what is the first term here? First term is denoted as A. And how to find the second term? If you add the first term and the common difference, we will get the second term. So A plus D. The third term A plus 2D and so on. If it is nth term means A plus n minus 1 to D. So the general form of arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. So for finding nth term of an AP formula is Tn is denoted as Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is the first term, n is the number of terms and D is the common difference of the given series.
Now let's practice some questions on arithmetic progression. I request you to pause the video here and going to get a pen and paper so that we can solve the questions together. So are you ready? Let's start. The first question is, find the 21st term of the AP minus 5 by 2 0 5 by 2. So what is they given? The 4 terms only they given. They asked what is the 21st term of the AP. So remember to find the 21st term of our AP. So we have to use the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d for finding the nth term. What is the formula? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this question the n value they given 21. So the n place we have to replace 21. Now write the given. What is the given? A equal to first term. A is nothing but first term. So a equal to minus 5 and n equal to, what is the n? We need to find a 21st term. N equal to 21 and the common difference d equal to, so what is the common difference? Difference between any two consecutive term is constant. So if you subtract the second term minus first term, that is called a difference. So now 5 by 2 minus 0 is 5 by 2. So our difference is 5 by 2. Now these all the values substitute in the formula, we will get the 21st term. So Tn, T21 equal to a. What is the a value is? Minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the n? 21 minus 1 into, what is the d value is? 5 by 2. Now T21 equal to minus 5 plus 21 minus 1, 20 into 5 by 2. Now cancel 1 2s are 10 2s are 20. So T21 equal to minus 5 plus 10 multiplied by 5. So 10 5s are 50. So T21 equal to 50 minus 5, 45. So therefore the 21st term is 45. So ready for the next question. The second question is, find a and b such that the numbers a 9, b 25 form on AP. So the given term is form on AP, but we need to find the unknown values a and b value. We need to find the unknown values of a and b value. So for finding a and b value, we know the condition. So what is the condition is, difference between the two consecutive term is constant. Is nothing but term 2 minus term 1 equal to term 3 minus term 2 equal to term 4 minus term 3. Now apply the condition here, we will get the answer. So second term minus first term, 9 minus a equal to third term minus second term, b minus 9 equal to 25 minus b. Now I am going to compare last two. So why? Because of in these two, if I equate these two, I will get the b value. Now compare these two, b minus 9 equal to 25 minus b. So b minus b, if you take this side plus b equal to 25 plus 9. So 2b equal to 34, b equal to 17. Now we got the b value. Now substitute the b value from here, we will get the a value. Now I am going to equate first two terms. So 9 minus a equal to b minus 9. So 9 minus a equal to, what is the b value we got? 17. 17 minus 9. So 9 minus a equal to 17 minus 9 is 8. So minus a equal to 8 plus 9, take this side minus 9. So minus a equal to minus 1, both side minus cancel. So a equal to 1. So now got a value and b value. Now substitute here, a equal to 1, 9 comma, what is the b value is 17 comma 25 is form on AB. So what is the important thing is, the difference between two consecutive term is constant. So ready for the next question is, the third question is, if the sequence A1, A2, A3 is in AP, then the sequence A5, A10, A15 is. So this series, whether it is arithmetic progression or geometric progression or both arithmetic and geometric or none of these. So we know the definition of arithmetic progression. So difference between two consecutive term is constants. So check once here, 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 10, 5. So each difference are constant. So it is a arithmetic progression. So I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubts or clarification in this video, you can post in the comment box. Okay friends, in our next video we can see some more examples in arithmetic progression. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like, share and comment, and also new viewers subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon.